How to add color in Photoroom. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit colors in your picture. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see this plus icon. Simply tap on this plus icon. Now you can select the image that you want to edit. So here I'm tapping on one. So I'm being loaded to the editing interface. So here I am. Now again, simply tap on this image. Here you'll be able to see different tools available. Now simply scroll down until you find the option called color. Simply tap on color. So these are the color options available. Now simply select on the color. Now you can adjust it accordingly. So here you can change it according to your preference, and at last simply tap on done. So the color has been completely changed. So if you do it professionally, it will look even better. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.